Hello, today we're going to learn how to make a simple bar chart in Canva. First off, we have our project right here. And then to start off, we can go to the sidebar, click on apps. You can see a lot of built-in apps on Canva right here. And we can search charts so that it filters out the apps. And then we have we have different apps for the charts, but we just need this one, the simple app called charts. And then once you click on it, you will see a lot of different charts that you can do. Since we need a bar chart, we can click on bar charts, click on see all, and then we have a list or a variety of different bar charts that we can choose from. So I want to choose a simple bar chart, so I will just drag and drop here, drag and drop this to the project area. And now we have our template bar chart in our project. So for example, I want to copy a simple bar chart I have right here. This was taken on the twinkle.ie website, and it depicts the favorite colors of the children. You have red, blue, green, yellow, and pink. So for example, I want to copy that. Double click on your bar chart. We can edit our data right here. So for the label, let's say item 1, I can change this into red. And then if we want to edit further, we can just click on this, expand data table. So now we have a bigger table that we can edit from instead of from the sidebar. So again, the labels are red, blue, green, yellow, and pink. Red, blue, green, yellow, and pink. And then that's for the label. And then this column right here depicts the values of our data. So we can change this into value. And then we can copy the values that are in here on our reference bar chart. So we have red for 8, blue 7, red 8, blue 7, green 5, yellow 9, and pink 6. Green 5, yellow 9, pink 6. We can just edit, edit this on our own if we want. So if we want to make 8 to 20, we can do it. And then we can see it will also reflect on the bar chart listed here on the sidebar. But we can just go for 8 for now. And then now we have our bar chart. It looks off since our labels say red, blue, green, yellow, and pink, but the bar chart is listed in blue and we have the pink as a violet. So we can change this by going here and then changing the colors. So for red, we can click on red. For blue, we can change to a different shade of blue. For green, we can click on green. For yellow, we click on yellow. And then for pink, we click on pink. So now it looks very similar to the reference bar chart that we have. You can also drag and drop the bar chart anywhere to the project area. And then we can also expand it if you want. We can make it thinner if you want. So just drag and drop the actual bar chart to your liking. We have our legend right here. You can also click on it to highlight specific data. And then you can also increase the font size by clicking on this or choosing from different font sizes. And then we can also edit our chart further by going here and then tweaking the advanced settings right here. So for example, I want to change the text. So you can see right here, the legend is checked, the access labels are checked, the data labels are off. If you want to change that, you can turn this off And then as you can see, the list of legend labels right here on the top area has disappeared. Axis labels right here is the red, blue, green, yellow, and pink. If we turn this off, then we don't have our axis labels anymore. Also, the y-axis labels have disappeared as well. So we just have the simple bar chart. And then you can check on the data labels if you want. So the actual data or the specific value of data is now displayed here on the bar chart. And axis labels, again, we can turn this on and then turn this off. And then you can edit it if you want. So for the x-axis, we can also add this one. You can display the favorite color on the x-axis as an additional label for our data. And then on the y-axis, we can put the number of children that likes the certain color. And that is it. If you want to tweak some more stuff right here on the settings, you can do so. But in regards to making a simple bar chart and editing it, that is all that we need to know. And that is it. Thank you for watching.